My name is Beth Nicholas Thomas. I'm 15 years old. I am the Deputy Youth Mayor of Neath for Talbot and I go to Cwmtawi Community School.
Hi, I'm Lola. I'm 14 years old and I go to Cwmtawi Community School.
Hello, my name is Bennett Aaron. I'm a comedian, an actor and a writer. I went to Granafon Comprehensive School in Port Talbot.
My favourite subjects in school are music and drama because I love them so much. They're what I've been doing since I was little. I'm used to them and they're like a form of escapism for me.
My favourite subject in school has to be geography because I love learning about the Earth and all its incredible features.
My favourite subjects in school were English and drama. In fact, I remember my drama teacher telling me that I was very good at acting, and that's the reason that I went into acting as a career. And then my English teacher also told me that I was good as a writer, and that's why I became a professional writer.
And what I miss most about school is making memories and inside jokes with my friends and classmates and being around people instead of being stuck in front of a computer screen.
The one thing I miss most about school is seeing my friends, my classmates and my teachers. And my all-time favourite thing about school is definitely making memories with my friends and learning cool and interesting new things.
What school does, it sets you up for life. The things you learn now are the things that are going to help you in your future. So it's those things in school that get you ready for your future. So yes, it's a pain. Yes, it's something you have to do, but it is something incredibly important and something that will set you up for life. So enjoy it as best you can.